Hello, peeps! Welcome to day 7 of the 12 Days of Crafting 2025 edition. So, we are halfway through our lovely calendar so far. We have dies, we have stamps, we have paper, DSP, we have our gold embellishments, our little gold labels, our beautiful masks, and our latest one was our cute, adorable little puppy stickers. And we are up to day 7. Day 7 down here. So, let us see. Ooh. I'm running out of guesses. I'm like, okay, what do I need on a card? I'm guessing not adhesives. Well, I mean, I need adhesives. I'm guessing that's not what it is. But what other little gems have we got going on in here? Oh, bonus. Oh, you guys. I'm going to have to reconfigure. We got a second set of dies. These are label dies. I can find my little thing. These are awesome. Okay, so these are going to fit around all the different sentiments. I have such a pile of stuff buried on here that's not even funny. Oh my goodness, got to take the stamp set out from underneath everything. Okay, so here's our stamp sets. This one will handle the biggest image. And then, yep, these are images and different sentiments. And I am pretty sure that we can do some layering. Ooh. All right, that is a winner there. Label dies. Woo. Lucky number 7. All right, guys. See you tomorrow.